tonight's bedtime routine is. Counting sheep, pajamas, story time, brushing teeth. What should we do first? Time to brush my teeth. Slide a toothbrush into my hand. Excellent! Rub your finger where the toothpaste should go. Great job! Now scrub my teeth to brush them. Well done! Rinse my teeth by tapping the water cup. Sparkling white. That sure was fun. You did so well. Let's keep going. Here's a puzzle of one of my favorite storybooks. Let's do it together. Fantastic! Nice work! I love a story before bedtime. We're getting close. It's pajama time! Tap on a drawer to open it and choose. I love that! So cozy! I love these pajamas. They'll be so comfy in bed. That was... Sometimes I like to count sheep to help me fall asleep. That's 1 sheep, 2 sheep. That's not a sheep. 3. There's 4. 5 sheep. 6. 7 little sheep. 8. 9 sheep. And 10. Good job. I'm already feeling sleepy.